Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to show you what is in my hair coloring kit. So, little bit of a backstory. I started watching Brad Mondo in September of 2020, October, September, one of those, last year, 2020, and shortly after getting into him, I got a job as a beauty advisor at a Sally Beauty. Fast forward a little bit, I did that job for 5 months before I went back into the restaurant biz because I realized that is my true calling, being in the restaurant and serving tables. I missed it and I knew I was good at it, so I went back to it. So, I really started buying it in March, April of this year, 2021. That's when I really started, buying it and, doing it on myself and close friends and family, the ones that trusted me to do it on them. And I don't go to school for this. I did not go to school for this. I don't have a cosmetologist license. My education is Brad Mondo and the 5 months I spent as a beauty advisor at Sally Beauty. Now, I'd say I'm okay at it. Yeah, I'm pretty alright. I just want to make that clear that, I didn't go to school or anything like that for this. But I will give myself a pat on the back for someone that does not have that license, that degree. I do pretty okay with the education that I do have. So, it would be a rather long video if I went through this piece by piece, so I will keep it as short and sweet as possible and try to make this a good video because I think that this seemed like a fun video to film and I haven't posted in a while. So we're just gonna dive right on in. So there is some organization here. It's a little chaotic. Could be worse. So, and in here, is the permanent cream color by Ion. This is my mother's color, the light intense brown, and I have it separated because I use this color on her. In here, I have various toners and bleaches. Toner in cream form and in liquid form, and I have powdered bleach in individual packets by various different brands. I have H Beautiful, I have Ion, I have Wella. This thing's packed pretty tight. I have Kaleidocolors. I have more Age Beautiful in here. I have L'Oreal, and then I have more L'Oreal behind it. Yes, L'Oreal does make professional hair color, guys. Not just box dye. They do have stuff for professionals. And this, but again, I say I am not a professional. There is professional quality products that the public can buy. There are also products in Sally Beauty stores that you have to have your license to be able to purchase. You have to have that license to be able to buy it. but this is professional quality right at home. But yeah, various toners, various bleaches, all up in here. Things packed pretty tight. Alright, that's a rundown of that one. In this one, this is a big bag of developer 4-ounce bottles and 8-ounce bottles. I do recycle these, so no worries there. But yeah, I have Age Beautiful in here. I have Ion. I have Wella. And Salon Care. I have 10 volume, 20 volume, 30 volume, 40 volume. I only use that 40 volume when it's really needed, because that stuff is strong. 50 volume does exist, but that is one of those professional products. Like, you have to have that license in order to buy it. So 20 volume is standard volume. I'm just going to throw that out there in case you're wondering what volume to get. 20. Just, that's standard volume is 20. When in doubt, get 20 volume. In here, I have various packets by Ardell. I have like the unread by Ardell. I'll open this and show a couple of things. Yeah, I also have this by Ardell, the Red Gold Corrector Plus. These are additives, these little packets that I'm showing you. That one, and the unread, and the Gray Magic one, that's for like extra gray coverage. And this one's a fast color. It makes hair color process faster. Like, you add those to your color mixture, like your hair color, your developer, you add that right in there. I also have some Radical Color Remover by Beyond the Zone. I have Care and Comfort. That's an additive that you add in to help with, like, especially if you like have a sensitive scalp, it helps with that burning and itching sensation, and it really mellows it out so that you don't have that. And I only have one of these left, if I can find it. Right there. Stain remover. It's a little towelette, one towelette per packet, to help remove stains from the skin. Like, let's say you get some like on your forehead or on your chin, or like really like by your ear or something like that. It'll help remove that for you. Used to have a lot more of those Radical hair color removers and those wipes, but I used them. And I have some gloves in there. Also have a couple of pairs that I stuck in there. Oh, I have a black pair of gloves. Sorry about the terrible camera work. Alright, I also have, like, this is a hair color remover as well. One application, like, it's a box kit that has one application in it, and I have some wide tooth combs there. In this bag, I have my semi-permanents, and I also have some, like, I have a 3-pack of processing caps, and I have like a bunch of conditioners in here as well, little 1-ounce packets of deep conditioners, like hair masks, regular hair conditioners. This is interesting, and I put it in here to keep it separated from everything else. I thought that this was really cool, so I got it. I haven't used this yet to see if it works, but I thought it was fascinating. Lifts and tones without bleach. So you use this on like your natural hair color, and it's supposed to help you, like it lifts your hair to help you go blonde, and you're supposed to get like a cool blonde after. I thought that was really cool. I haven't used this yet, like, at all. But I bought it because I thought it was cool. So I don't know if it works. But Ion is a good brand. Ion is a Sally Beauty brand, so you can only purchase it at Sally Beauty stores. So yeah, some Mechanics and some more Ions that are semi-permanent. Semi-permanent you don't mix with developer, but yeah. Again, conditioners, and then that is a 3-pack of salon caps. So I have more developer, like, big bottles. Yeah, 16 ounces. I have this hair applicator. I prefer bowl and a brush, but I like this for, like, measurements, because it has a little measuring thing on the side. I have various hair colors in here as well. One's by Ion, Age Beautiful, and by Wella. And these are cool too. Like, they're the brights, but they're like the permanent version. There's the permanent version and the semi-permanent version of the color brights by Ion, and I think those are cool. These are all, like, these are like, the Wella ones are more like gel form. The Ions are cream. I even have like a liquid. Like, I got various types of browns and blacks in here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is what is in my hair coloring kit. This organization could definitely be better, but it could also be worse. So I apologize for my not so good camera work. I was trying to show you that stuff and hold the camera with only one hand. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it fascinating, and hope you enjoyed the little story time there that I gave you in the beginning. So if you guys want to follow me on any of my social media sites, they will be in the description below. Subscribe if you like this. And yeah, I thought this would just be a fun video to film. I haven't posted in a while, and I knew I wanted to tell you guys about my newest desire. Not really new. March, April, May, June, 3-4 months. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a good one.